Hi students, today we will start chapter 3rd Fluid Mechanics. Introduction. A fluid is any substance that flow. As both liquids and gases can flow, so we use the fluid for both liquids and gases. Viscosity. Fluid possess a property called viscosity, which is a measure of their ability to flow. Definition of viscosity: property of a liquid by virtue of which it opposes the relative motion between its different layers is called as viscosity. Viscous force. Viscous force is a force which opposes the motion of one portion of a fluid relative to another fluid, such as water flow readily have small viscosities than honey or engine oil. Example of viscosity: there is a blue water flow in one container and in another there is honey flow. Water readily flow than honey. The density of water is less as compared to the honey, so that the velocity of water molecule is greater than the honey. Consider, suppose a water and honey at a time flow through the one pipe. Then water molecule flow readily or easily through the pipe as compared to the honey. Water molecule layer moves faster than the honey. The water molecule exerts a backward force on the molecule of honey. That backward force is a viscous force. Fast moving layer exerts a backward force on slow moving layer of liquid, that is viscous force. Coefficient of viscosity. Viscous force between two adjacent layers depends upon two factors. First, viscous force is directly proportional to the area of contact between two layers, that is F proportional to A, area. Second, viscous force proportional to the velocity gradient between the layers, F proportional to dV by dx, that is velocity gradient, change in velocity with respect to distance dx. Totally, viscous force proportional to area and velocity gradient, then F is equal to eta A dV by dx, where eta is proportionality constant called as coefficient of viscosity, and eta is equal to viscous force divided by area into velocity gradient. If area is equal to 1 and velocity gradient is equal to 1, then viscous force is equal to coefficient of viscosity. Then coefficient of viscosity is defined as tangential viscous force per unit area required to maintain a unit velocity gradient between two parallel layers. SI unit of viscosity, Newton second per meter square, that is, or another unit, decapoise. CGS unit of viscosity, Dyne second per centimeter square, or poise. 10 poise is equal to 1 decapoise. Poise is the unit of coefficient of viscosity. Now we see streamline flow, laminar flow, or steady flow. Here is a flow from A to B. The flow is divided into number of layers. These layers are numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4, dash dash up to n. There are n number of layers in this flow. Flow of liquid from left to right on horizontal surface, that is AB. Consider flow of liquid from left to right from A to B. It is divided into number of layers. Layers are numbered from 1 to n. Then all the particles move in a straight line path or in same path. Particles in first layer are stationary. Particles do not move from one layer to another layer. That is, particle in one layer do not cross from one layer to another layer. Particle in same layer have constant velocity. As the distance of layer goes on increases from the surface AB, then velocity of particle increases. If a flow satisfies all above properties, then it is said to be steady flow or laminar flow or streamline flow. The velocity of liquid particle at a given point is always same at all time. That flow is a streamline flow or laminar flow or steady flow. This is about streamline flow. Now see turbulent flow. See, this flow is called as a turbulent flow. This is also example of turbulent flow. In this flow, water move or molecules of water flow randomly in different direction with different velocity. Its path is not same for all the particles. Turbulent flow, all the liquid particles move randomly, disorderly in all possible directions and with all possible velocities. Particles move along zigzag path. For example, ink spreads on filter paper. In another example, there is a flow of water in river. This is about streamline flow and turbulent flow. Thank you.